What? Sofia. Siyathenga namhlanje na.
Siyafitisha.
Siyathenga. Asikhuzi nje price. Ndikiwe ngo. Ngabe ngathi sithwele. Okwasazapha.
Singabe sitwa hayi.
Bathwele banemali.
No, bathenga fix.
Sazincama. Lela mancama namhlanje. Lasiza apha relations uthi masenze lay-by phambene eqoni lay-by uthi axoke nge-R100 apha nentoni andizikwenza loo thina phambene na Tembanga, wena. Nangama sithenge, bale ithenge.
Nasi dibambi. Bamba na.
Nasi dibambi.
Sefi.
Akhona ibufiti shayibona liyaklinkana le. Sami soyithenga cha.
Ayithenga kwethe.
Liza. Zayithenga lento le.
Ayithenga le.
Anifuna ngathi ngithwele manje emantwini.
Okay.
Bese zayithenga lento.
Umnyama na umnyama.
Ngoba bathile zayithenga phakathi. Mfethu akhona yantswempanga apha jo. Imali lemoto. 7 clipper. Masikoduke mfethu. Hayi, sangizosela. Ngayithenga ke le drink mina ngoku futhi. Ngayithenga le drink lesa ngoku. Ngayithenga le drink ngoku.
Sizele nani yami.
Yisizela ne. Ayisizela mina.
Phela ndifuna ukuba ngathi thina sinenyongo okanye
bangathi siyabiya bangathi sinenyoka esithwele ngayo nxa benza ithenga le drink mina ngoku futhi. Khaya bangandithwela apha kona. Bawusinda kwa H&M lo. Encane ndifuna ugqiba stock sakhe nxa. otherwise yabangandingcoli nganomona ngondigqiba istock hayi otherwise ndayithenga nejini hayi nina nindithanda kancincencine hayi mandihambe walapho kule shop yeah
but o reka size ya hawa ke e se size the ntwe khulu wena o tlo tama ka batho a o reka your size that but it is slim
yeah
thank you motho wa ha butana motho wa ka size 36 ebe budu go bana bo bokana ho yena wena o ka bokatela yena o le nna bo bokana
but nothing is abo the style is different.
Mamela, what I'm saying to you, how go budu ha budu ebe bo jena ka pele. You get me? You need something safe like in but with this style. You get me what I'm saying? And now budu go ba ka how did make you amoka. Where's halaka?
I understand.
I can't know what jala tsona. But kere ka size ya how ering inte flow about your size. This guy is going to be talking about, but you don't have a senior capital voice. Get your size, you're not biting so that you don't have it hand. Even but when they look nice because this is their size. How can I come to your we also one who's a thing to another before you want that man. What's that I say? But then we don't have to get a man. Because I'm one affiliate. Oh no. Because why I didn't know like this, but I know that I'm also guidance. You just have to give me guidance. How do I talk about how people can boot? How do I know what the stylist I know? But I want to buy in total. I want to cover how this is the stylist I know. But until you fit down. Not because you're the stylist I know, so I'm total for your motor to cut a man in Haggis and not that I was still saying.
Hey, poison. Background, man. It's all fun lila. Be right accused. Kuba phebo mini. Utezo thenga impahla nomzalo wena.
Abazali.
Ijobe bethunani.
Oh,
Wakho thana accused uphike kanjani. Johan kazi nibonise le block ifuna uthenga ngomjida kaphike. Haya. Jonga the way. Yakhala nozidla.
okay.
Yakhala nozidla. Uthi uzobakanakana. Andiva nomuteni. Andiyazi ibukhalazeni ibhlokwe enkulu ngawo nozidla. But asiyidingi mfethu grocery thina manje. Le nyanga ikhona ipapa ne-chicken nesoup.
Mfethu manje ukuthi lena mfethu.
Usithenga izihudi mfethu.
Yathenga izihudi.
Ungabona uzovela uthenga ukutya wena uzovela uthenga grocery.
Ayothenga grocery afuna ukuthi masithenga ukuthi ka fethu ihudi mfethu. Anayo ihudi mfethu. Bro,
Kama sithenga uhudi mfethu.
athenga ihudi.
Netflix uthi zazo. Kunyiwa.
Thenga le. Okanye ndithenga emnyama kuba zithenga ibhloko emnyama.
Ufuna umnyama? Ngikhala ugreen.
Ya, thenga ugreen namthenga umnyama. Singafaniselani. Eba ngathi siyakopana. Eba ngathi wena ukopana.
Yebo ngani ngokopana.
Eba ngathi ngokopana.
Ndimwaziwayo.
Okay, ukopana. What is why?
Ngompheli.
Okay, tu. Delinjani yona?
Imali nento lesi?
300 yezo.
3.
3 futhi.
Uzithenga into manje.
299.
Uzithenga into lesi.
Athenga futhi. Ibi ifitting room.
Ingapha singapha.
Tell you I'm futhi.
Lezi. Hey.
Now okay. Okay.
Ngifuna lekhala into green manana.
It's green.
Ugreen okanye ugreen nje. Ngithanda ugreen. One something thing is ndifuna ways of change wardrobe yami mfethu oko ndinewezi brown and black and
Veda ndiyazi nazo look
ndayithatha ndiyifithisha ku yo ngathi xatyeni ngathi ndinomona Vuni kali grand manenzo wa mea nonwe kacho.
Why intended then intended unintentionally.
Uzethi ngoyisa banalene. Bona ke. Ela ngqimali. Ndizotya ntoni ezalisa? Ndizotya ntoni umbuzo nglowo manje bubuza bandifumene. Ndizotya ntoni? Ukene ngathi nitshela ukuthi. Yema ndiyazi. Jonga le hood yande erhalele hood yakho mfela.
Yabo, kuphila kuthiwe ndimo ngokopa kumezwa.
Uyanikopa man mfundini ndiyazi le hood buyazi ba ndiyayicinga.
Yaqo.
Lo mshita lona.
Ha,
Hayi kodwa ndiyamthanda ugreen wami.
hayi siyityhili man.
I6 clipper yonke le.
Thiza.
Ngabe ngathi 12.
Ngabe ngathi 2.
Ngathi 12. Hayi ngena kweyakho andifuna uba secanga kwakho. Ngeke bazobeka le phone. Izimbo zongabe na tripod. Thixo wami. Yeah. Yo, ndiyakhulula ndiyafitisha nyani guys. Hayi. Guys. I want your feedback. You guys won't even see this thing. But yeah, I feel good. I feel like this. Why broke it is fine, I'm fit.
I'm fit. That's it, broke fit.
I'm a color car.
I'm going to broke fit. Because I'm not Yaman.
Huh?
Yes, Bo?
Was he tired of it?
I must stay in fit. It's open as tea.
So tap up.
7 is tatted before the couch.
I'll go to next year for NS was 8K.
Oh, I feel my sister. Yes, bye.
Industry kwami nginqola ngoko man.
Ngiba ngomsi.
Ubaleka naye le yes.
Afet masizithathe. Uthi mina.
Ngwayi manje miyaphela.
Ndikanjalo mfowethu.
Kushiya nemalini ekhadini ba.
Sakunesithini mfowethu basizithatha kakhulu. Khanixelele wena xelela mfowethu.
Asamthenga into nami sozithenga ngona.
Yeah.
Ethatha into sozithenga.
Siyami mfowethu.
Masiyanga mfethu.
Masiyanga mfowethu. Manzilaqa.
Sozithenga. Ngoba yona fanto zophila isele le imanyaka yawuphela ungasela ngafanto. Ogqiba imali. Siyazithenga ezwe mfethu.
Siyazithenga ezwe.
Kanze. Okay, when the 30 decisions, yes, in Shalom, Why is he screaming at that time? Kensani, bro. And ulisa kazithengela nombane mina funeka ndithenge nombane. Akuyo some.
But anyway,
Love it.
yeah.
Sithethiswa ndangamntu kule nyanga. Akho kwamntu uthetha nathi.
Joyce slips is very drama. Slip esingaka. Uyasibonisa uba imali mkhizi. Yo.
Uhamba nje ndaqala umosha imali kanje.
Uyibona ufethi uyayimosha but still uye.
Hayi botho ndiyaphuma nyani ndiyiphethe mfethi.
Imali waste. Sikesigodu.
Masikhodu.
Atsazi lendlela. Yo.
Pitekile. Pide endlela imali imkile. Ayo stress. Afuna ujonga ifoni yami mfethi. Izawuthi i-app kuna minus. Hi guys, I'm back. I've been back, you know, but like my phone was low. So yeah. I'm happy but not happy, bro. Like I wasted money. Yo, hela, Lisa fit. It's Lisa, bra, Lisa fit. I was not gonna buy his impahla, I'm not bra. But I don't think impahla I'm fit too. But you know what? Yeah, so. And what's funny is that Vetu, there's this app that took my money. I had a subscription, but I cancelled it because what? La mali ngaka. Bekubothatwa imali, bra. Not so long ago, like today, but still now I'm spending money, Joe. And people will think I'm rich. People will think I have money in faith. That time I'm broke, the pookie. Hey man. Let me just. I'll be okay. So now I'm gonna study, yeah. But first, before I study, I have to eat. So I'm gonna buy skambane. Well, I'm gonna buy a quarter, Joe. It's in quarter, Vetu. And then study. Because then I'll pay Gabo. That's gonna take time and it's already late. So yeah. I'm gonna do that and then study. Shopping. Good afternoon. It was supposed to be morning, but I woke up late. Yeah. How are you guys doing today? How's your day going? How are you guys? How are you? It's the 1st of May, Workers' Day. And how are you guys doing? How is life? How are you guys pulling through? You know, me, I'm good. Okay, I'm not good because I'm writing tomorrow and Friday. But bro, I am fantastic. Yeah, the movie from Fantastic Four. Fantastic Four. Yeah, the Fantastic 5 game. Not the Glorious 5, but I'm Vesu. That's how fantastic I am. You know, etc. Man, nothing is gonna happen today. I'm still thinking of going to campus to study, but I'm still thinking of just studying here in my room. But yeah, I think I'm gonna study here in my room. I can't just go to campus and fear too. It's gonna take time. Yeah, but different figure part it in you. So yeah, I'm gonna study in my room, boy. And then what else? Nothing. I'm gonna cook after that. I'm gonna cook after that, and then I'm gonna sleep again. Yeah, gonna study, I finish, eat, maybe study again, and then sleep again. Akho formula ayibomini suma novuka usiyawubona ngabantu abantu bazakuthakatha. But anyway, sharp. Oh, better than Friday, fair to pa and tamba because you are but girl, I'll call it. Shabim. Good morning, you guys. It is, I don't know if you're seeing, it is 6:30. I am going to canvas. I'm going to write my test. And like you can tell, Bana, I need to sleep. But yeah, I have to go and write. Yeah, nothing big, nothing crazy. To pile up, get my distinction. Yo, but yeah, that is it. This is all. I slept around I slept at 11. No, I'm kidding. I slept at 2. Yeah, I slept at 2 because like I was not in bed at 11, and then I got in bed, and then I stayed up until 2. So yeah, but yeah, let me go write, and then I'll tell you how I wrote when I come back. Ngiyabanda mfethu. Yo. Hela. Kubekisela up in your window, bra. Batikse. Masiyabangena. Masiyabangena. And I have a busy day today. But I could wait, man. Cool fit. My hands are freezing. And in this vlog, I'm going to but yeah, let me go. Let me clean it for you. Monday, clean it for you. I'm not sure it's bad. But yeah, man. I don't know, but I feel good about the test. I feel like I'll maintain the distinction I got last time. You know, but I'll see. We'll see there, boy. We'll see there, boy. Hopefully, so that this will promote us, so that I don't have to write the exam. Because the exam, you're module, bra. Balaba June. Imagine, I'm going to go to May, bra. No problem. But yeah, I'll see. I'll talk to you guys when I'm finished writing, you know. Otherwise, what you? Izonibalisela. How I wrote, boy. Okay, I'm happy. It's a distinction. Again. Yeah, also. And that means I'm promoting. Yeah, boy, I want to write the exam. Imagine, write exam even here. It's on the 14th of June. Imagine. But yeah, I'm promoting that module. And then what else? Let me not say I'm promoting yet. Maybe something might happen, I don't know. But like, my marks are looking good. Both my tests are distinctions, and all the quiz I've been doing, I've been getting also good marks. So yeah, so I wrote well. So what I'm not happy about though is like the percentage I got. It's a distinction, but like, you know, distinction, yeah, you know. But yeah, I'm happy. And then I'm waiting for my marks for one module that I wrote last week, Friday. And then I'm doing my practicals today at 2 o'clock. So I have to just check that now. And then after that, I'm gonna study for the test I'm writing tomorrow. But yeah, that's it. Oh, and I blew up my money. I bought Ikota, bruh. I bought Ikota. In the morning, I bought electricity. Fit. I don't know how I'm gonna survive this month, but and I'm trying to do this weekly vlog thingy. You know, not a day in a life or something like that. I'm trying to do this weekly thingy. So yeah, hopefully I also vlog tomorrow, and then I edit on Saturday. Don't forget to subscribe there. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. What. Yeah. Otherwise. In this salamache before you were up, stress. I'm gonna study for my test tomorrow. No, I'm fit to torture Lena Bram. He torture. But yeah, man, I'll be okay. And phone there. In the end, I think I'll talk to you guys tomorrow, or maybe Kanzawlala. But let me study. Yo, Brian, I said the car. I'm still up. Can you tell by the side? Can you? Well, as a bonus, I'm so proud. I feel like I thought to Friday was this week. Why I thought to Friday was this week? Man, Pick up your pace, Friday. Yo, bruh. Otherwise, what's up, my people? What's up, my people? What's up, my people? It's Friday, people. What you doing, people? Anyway, yeah. And I also realized that, okay, hi, it's Friday, I'm happy, and don't ask me about the test. Yeah, cool. And then, so I realized that I did not make an intro for this video. So hi, dumelang, dumeling, dumelong. Abushin, abusheng, abushong. Ninjani, they're peeling, I'm peeling, Nina. And then, goeie mora, goeie naand, goeie. And then, how you doing? I'm good, I'm also good. And then, welcome to my YouTube channel. If I need design language, and then, welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome to my YouTube. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome to another video, man. And then, I'm also gonna make an intro right now. But you're not intro, so you make it so now I'm going to campus. I am meeting someone. Yeah, Jay, just a friend. And then, yeah, I'm gonna come back later on, you know. Maybe I'm just gonna finish all my money, buy maybe fries or any gota. Because you know me with these gotas, I gota everything. Yeah. So yeah, I'll maybe do that. And then I'll have to practice programming because I'm writing next week, and also computer hardware because I'm writing next week. So yeah, true. But anyway, shopping. If you want the OOTD, about your phone, you'll skip. I'm really happy. This is for the OOTD, yeah. If you want the OOTD, here's the OOTD. Yeah, okay. Should I do the prices again? Sharp. Okay, this I got it from my mom, and the husband, yeah, odd khaki, but I don't know what the price. Also got this from my mom. I don't know the price. I'm so sorry, guys. Mama's baby. But yeah, I get like most of my clothes from my mom. And then I got this recently from Cotton On. Yo, hi, that are you? Hey! Whoa, I like Coca. I got this from H&M. What? I got this from H&M. Maybe the thing is, listen, my mind is full of the things I want to buy at Cotton On. But then, yeah, I got this from H&M. It was $300. 300 rand. Yeah, it was 300 rand. And then the shoes, I got them for like, was it 800, 900? Yeah, at Take It Down, if I'm not, yeah, Take It Down, go 2022 though. So I don't know about say la price or something. And then the socks, I got the socks as a gift. Yeah, otherwise, Imocho Ipole. Anyway, thank you for watching the video. Hope you liked it. Bawithandaga, sorry, asina choice. Hi, and the husband's out team, and not choice, but you have to like it. Yeah, you want to subscribe, you got, yeah, but yeah,